D5, brilliant move. Brilliant move, and I remember when I was teaching Hubert how to play chess. Good for Hubert. He's got a clear advantage, but he's facing a very experienced boxer. Bishop A3, counter-attack. Bishop A3. That'll give Hubert something to think. Very sensible. Very sensible move. Always put your king in safety. Bishop to C5, developing the bishop. Pawn to G3, weakening his pawns, and more advanced than white's pawns. Black's got control of the centre. Chess is incredibly like football. I know we talk about it being a bit like boxing, but it's... That knight is beautifully placed on the E4, in the hole. You can descend.